In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Stripe Instant Payouts. This is a really useful feature offered by Stripe that allows you to transfer money from your available Stripe balance to your debit card or bank account within minutes, usually under 30 minutes. This is instead of waiting the usual days it takes with standard payouts. It can be a real game changer if you need cash flow immediately. Now, it's important to know that Stripe does charge a small fee per transaction for this service. Typically, you'll find the fee is around 1%, but if you're in the United States, Australia, or New Zealand, this can go up to 1.5%. Instant payouts are available in several countries, so it's worth checking if your country is on the list. As of now, this feature is supported in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Singapore, Australia, New Zealand, and Malaysia. If you're in Europe, you're also in luck, as most EU countries like Austria, Belgium, Germany, Ireland, France, Italy, the Netherlands, Spain, Sweden, Poland, and Romania are included. If you're from a country I've just mentioned, you're in a prime spot to take advantage of this feature. Now, let's talk about eligibility. There are a few things you need to make sure of before you can start using instant payouts. First, your Stripe account should have been active and successfully processing transactions for about 60 days or more. This shows Stripe that your account is stable and reliable. Next, you need to maintain a positive available balance on your account. This goes without saying, but it's crucial to highlight. You also must have an eligible payout method linked to your account. In some countries like the US, Canada, Singapore, and Australia, this could be a debit card, typically Visa or MasterCard. For others, a supported bank account could work, particularly in the UK and the EU, where local currency, faster payments are available. Also, Stripe continually evaluates accounts for risk and chargeback thresholds, so be mindful of any issues that might arise there over time. Once you're good with eligibility, checking and initiating instant payouts is straightforward. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Head over to the Balances section, then click on Manage Payouts, or check the Balances overview. If you're eligible, you'll be able to choose the option Pay out funds instantly. If you don't see this, it means you might only have the standard or manual options available at the moment. After selecting the instant payout option, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure it's within the allowed daily and per payout limits. You'll also need to choose your eligible payment method before confirming the transaction. Typically, the funds should arrive in your account within roughly 30 minutes. Keep in mind, there are limits on how much you can transfer, up to around $9,999 per payout, and you can make up to 10 payouts a day, although this can vary depending on your region. Remember, a fee of 1% generally applies, or it could be 1.5% if you're in the US, Australia, or New Zealand. With all this information in mind, you're now ready to confidently take advantage of Stripe's instant payout feature and manage your cash flow more effectively.